Imagine this. What if you could use AI to create, post, and monetize faceless content in just 7 minutes, without showing your face, without bugging friends or family, and without being chained to your computer? That's exactly what millionaire super affiliate John Crestani teaches inside his brand new AI Marketers Club. He reveals his simple F.I.R. formula, a copy and paste system that lets complete beginners leverage AI technology to pump out high-converting content and combine it with affiliate offers that actually pay commissions. So if you're feeling stuck in your paycheck job, craving freedom, or dreaming of building a legacy, this is designed for you. No experience needed, no face on camera, and no complicated tech headaches. John Crestani has helped thousands of people create real online income streams, and now he's showing exactly how to harness AI to do the heavy lifting, faster than ever before. To see exactly how it works, check out the video link in the description box and pinned comment. Don't wait. Your journey to financial freedom could literally start today.